Welcome. Let's have a look at deactivating a working paper's license. When you deactivate or revoke a working paper's license, you're effectively freeing up the license from the computer. It's necessary to deactivate your working paper's license before you decommission, reimage, rename, or replace a computer. Note, if Working Papers is installed and registered to a Citrix or terminal server, you do not need to deactivate licenses using this method. Open Working Papers on the computer where you want to deactivate the license. On the File menu, click Revoke License to launch the License Revocation Wizard. Select Automatic Revocation and click Next. Details of the current registration are displayed for verification. Click Next. A prompt will display informing you that the license is currently in use on this computer. Click Yes to release the license. Once you've deactivated the license, you can reassign it to a new computer. Simply restart or install Working Papers on the new computer to register with the deactivated license. Thanks for watching.